How to apply for Uber Eats Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can apply for Uber Eats Drive, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically apply for Uber Eats Drive, all you have to do is download this application, Uber Driver, and once you download the Uber Driver application, go ahead and then open it up. And once you open it up, you should be able to see this type of interface here where you have to log into your normal existing Uber account, or you can create a new account. And after you do that, you will see this little form. Now you need to have these documents. The first is you need to verify whether you're a real person by simply verifying with your profile photo. Read the instructions, tap on take photo, and then just make sure to place yourself in front of the camera, and then you'll be able to take a photo. The other thing that you can basically do is you can come back, then make sure to do the same for your driving license. Tap on take photo, then you can choose the one from your media, or you can take a new one by using a camera application, and then you'll be able to take that photo. Repeat the process for any of the other documents that are available out there, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically apply for Uber Eats Drive. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.